So, I got this new shipment in from 3000 Toys. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay. Of course I used packing peanuts. But right off the bat, let's clean this off. Check that out. It's a good looking Chevy. I know my lighting sucks, but bear with me. Oop. That's a nice truck. 69 Chevy Cheyenne. Next up, called Hitched Homes, 2017 Winnebago Drop. Nice little camper. What do we got here? Oh, I wonder if this is my motorhome. I believe that's my motorhome. Oh yeah. Comes with a boat. That is nice. I don't remember what year it is. I don't see it on here anywhere. I'm sure it's a 70s for sure. Nice little speedboat there with it. You know, I guess I can't. I was trying to figure out a way to get more light in here. And this one is the NYPD 79 Ford F-250. Again, my lighting sucks. But we'll get a better light on this. That is not going to say NYPD for very long, I guarantee you. Another NYPD Ford 219 F350. This one comes with a snowplow. Again, it won't say NYPD for long. Should be a couple of those in here. Yes, there's the other one. So I have two of these. Both of them will be stripped of the NYPD. Not that I have anything against NYPD. I prefer to have them plain in a different color if I could, but this is the only thing I could get them in. Now for the parts and pieces. It's the home improvement set. Binford Tools for anybody who might know that. Oh, there we go. There we can get a better view of it. Not much, but a little better. Tire package. That's the Kings of Crunch tire wheel package. The Green Machine colors. Oh wait, there's more. Got a hitch and tow 2015 Wrangler with a small cargo trailer, the STP. It's pretty nice. That's the 83 GMC Jimmy Sierra Classic with a heavy-duty car hauler. Ramps. That is a nice truck. They did a nice job on this truck. Looks like a pretty good trailer too. Looks like it's already missing the jack though. I don't know if that's supposed to come with it or if that, or what. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. That's my Bigfoot. I mostly wanted the trailer for this, but it's still a nice truck. Okay, it would appear that the rest of these are boxes inside of boxes. Let's see what this one holds. Read before opening. What if can't read? Oh, what do we got here? Whole bunch of Johnny Lightning. If we can get them out. Holy cow. We did not want those to come out. Okay, this is the White Lightning truck and trailer, Hummer with a nice camping trailer. Next up, oh yeah, there's a 94 F-150. It's a nice camper. Also comes with a nice car trailer. This is a numbered set. I can't see what the number that I have is, but supposedly there's only less than 4,000 made. Last but not least is a car I really didn't want, but I wanted the trailer and it came with this set, so I got it. It's a 2006 Chevy HHR, but it comes with the car trailer and that's really what I wanted. Like I said, it came with a set or I wouldn't have bought it. Alright, what else we got in here? Let's get rid of this box. Oh wow, they shrink wrapped this one. Sorry. These packages are all going to get cut open anyway, right? Okay, we have a 64 Ford Ranchero with another car trailer. I think I have enough car trailers now. This one is a real nice one. 1970 Blazer with a nice camper trailer. That's a real nice one. Pretty good detail on that Blazer too. That's pretty sweet. Next up, 2000 Chevy Silverado with an enclosed car trailer, which I wanted a couple of these, but I think I only got one. All right. Oops. Watch out, I'm going to knock you over here. Another box in a box. Oh yeah, I see some nice ones in here. '72 Airstream Land Yacht Safari. That's a nice trailer. Oh, I guess that's the awning right there. Nice trailer. 1961 Holiday House. Another nice trailer. I like the vintage campers myself. And I just realized this thing's got a cattywampus here. Oop, get out of here. 1971 Airstream Land Yacht Safari. Again, turtle wax. Probably not going to leave that on there. This one didn't come with an awning. Unless it's tucked in there somewhere. Nice trailer. I just don't like the turtle wax. It was cheap. That's why we bought it. 1962 Shasta Airflight. That's your 60s hippie style there. Next up, 1959 Siesta travel trailer. Nice little trailer, vintage. These all these campers in this box, these all came in a set. Another 61 Airstream. This one is a Bambi. Oh, okay. Okay, that's the awning right there in front. Nice little trailer. Okay, get this box out of here. We have one more box in a box. These must be the trucks I've been anticipating on. If I don't get them in this one, they'll definitely be on the next shipment because I got a couple of shipments. Nope, these aren't the trucks. These are two of the ones that I'm happy to get. I like that. 77 F-150, that is sweet. That is a nice truck. Blue collar collection. I liked it so much, I bought two of them. And then I got two of these. The 1/64 scale Gator side by side. Those are going to look good on my car trailers. Then, no collection is complete without the Fall Guy truck. I mean, come on. No self-disrespecting redneck would be caught without one in their collection anyway. That is a sweet truck. And last but not least, 2015 Ford Transit FBI Academy Quantico. I didn't buy it for that. I'm planning on stripping all that stuff off of there. I couldn't find a plain one. That's the only reason why I got this one. Alright, that is my haul for today. I'm going to put on some more here in a couple days. I got a whole lot more coming. We'll catch up with you then.